Hi there, this is Love Johar. Thank you so much for tuning into this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. All of you who have wanted to join the GRC domain, who wanted to shift from the from even the non-technical side to GRC domain, people who are aspiring to join cybersecurity in the GRC domain. If you are a seasoned professional or if you are a fresher, this video will actually help you because here we'll try to understand what do we mean by information security governance. Okay, so please watch carefully, and as always, if you have any questions, please ask me in the comment section. Thank you. So, welcome, friends. First of all, let us try to understand what is GRC. GRC is governance, risk, and compliance. Basically, GRC is a strategy for managing and maintaining an organization's overall governance and compliance along with the regulations. Okay, that is the role of GRC. Capabilities of GRC are spread across different departments. For example, internal audits, compliance, risk department, legal department, finance, IT, and HR. Okay, now coming to governance. Okay, so governance is basically information security governance is ensuring that the organization's activities support the organization's business goals and objectives. So information security governance is associated with providing an oversight, enacting policies, establishing accountability, and planning resources and strategies so that the information security function can align itself with the business goals and objectives. This is the role of information security governance. And how it accomplishes the role? By creating structures, creating strategies, information security strategies, creating policies, processes, standards, and all that. Okay. So this is a nutshell on information security governance. If you have any follow-up questions, please feel free to ask in the comment section. Also, if you want to jump from any non-technical domain to GRC domain, please get in touch with me on my WhatsApp channel. I'll help you across. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.